Hi students, let's see exercise 3.2 second part. Don't forget to see the first part because some equations are given there. Ready? And again what you want to do? If you are watching first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Ready? So let's start the work. I am reading the question number 3. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Ready? So there are some equations already given here. So what you want to do? You have to compare it with A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Don't forget to watch the previous video before watching this one because the formulas are in the first part. Ready? So I am starting now. First question, 3x plus 2y equals 5. 2x minus 3y equals 7. So this one we are arranging one more time. That is 3x plus 2y. If 5 goes to next side, because it is in right side, if it goes to next side, minus 5 equals 0. This is equation number 1. After that, this implies second equation, 2x minus 3y. See, 7 goes to next side, minus. That means minus 7 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. From the first equation, we will write A1, B1, C1. Second equation will take A2, B2 and C2. Ready? First one A1, B1, C1 will take. From the second equation will take A2, B2, C2. Ready? So this implies A1. What is the value of A1? 3. What is the value of B1? 2. What is the value of C1? That is minus 5. Don't forget to write minus. And now let us see A2. What is the value of A2? Second equation, the coefficient of x. That means near to x. What is that? 2. And B2, what is the value of B2? That is minus 3. Very careful. Minus 3. And C2, what is the value of C2? Minus 7. Ready? First what you will do? A1 by A2 equals, what is the value of A1? That is 3. 3 by 2. Ready? So we got it. A1 by B. See, we got it. A1 by A2 equals 3 by 2. Now we will take B1 by B2. What is B1? 2. Divided by B2 minus 3. That means this minus you can write upside. That means minus 2 by 3. Check it now. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, isn't it? That means what you will write? This implies A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. If A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, isn't it? That means what you will write? Therefore, the equations have intersecting lines and is consistent. See, therefore the equations have intersecting lines and is consistent. Ready? See the second question, that is 2x minus 3y equals 8, 4x minus 6y equals 9. So what you will do means we will rearrange the equation. Means what you will do? This implies 2x minus 3y. See, this 8 will carry to left side. Then it will be minus 8 equals 0. This is equation number 1. Next equation. What is that? 4x minus 6y. This 9 goes next side. This 9 goes next side. Minus 9 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. From the first equation, we will write A1, B1, C1. From the second equation, we will write A2, B2 and C2. Ready? That means this implies what is the value of A1? What is the value of A1? That is 2. And what is the value of B1? That is minus 3. And what is the value of C1? What is the value of C1? That is minus 8. Now we will go for A2. What is the value of A2? A2 is 4 and B2 minus 6. See, minus 6. And C2 is minus 9. First what you will do? Therefore A1 by A2 equals, A1 by A2 means 2 by 4. 2 by 4. We can cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2. Here when you cancel by 2, 2 twos are. So we got it 1 by 2. A1 by A2 we got it 1 by 2. Now we'll see B1 by B2 equals. What is the value of B1? Minus 3 divided by B2 minus 6. Numerator and denominator directly you can cancel minus. After that numerator will divide by 3 or cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3. Here when you cancel by 3, 3 twos are 6. That means we got it 1 by 2. That means A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 because these two answers are equal. That means we have to go for the third step. What is that? C1 by C2 equals. What is the value of C1? That is minus 8 divided by C2 is minus 9. Numerator and denominator we can cancel minus, but we cannot cancel the balance, isn't it? So this equals, what you'll write? 8 by 9. 8 by 9. That means this implies we can write A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 because these two values are same. But the last part is not equal to C1 by C2. That means what you will say? Therefore, the system have inconsistent. Therefore, the system Therefore, the lines are parallel and inconsistent. See, if you get A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. That means while solving by graph, you are going to get parallel lines. That means it is inconsistent. You will not get the value of x and y. Ready? Let's see the third question. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equals 7 and 9x minus 10y equals 14. So what you'll do? First the equations will rearrange. That means 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y. This 7 goes next side. That is minus 7 equal to 0. After that, of course, this is equation number 1. After that, next one. What is that? This implies 9x minus 10y, 14 plus 14 goes next side, minus 14 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now, from the first equation, we will take A1, B1 and C1. Second equation, A2, B2, C2 will take, isn't it? So, this implies, what is the value of A1? A1 is 3 by 2. See, A1 3 by 2. B1 is 5 by 3. And C1, what is the value of C1? That is minus 7. Now, let's see A2. A2 is, from the second equation, isn't it? That means A2 is 9 and B2. What is the value of B2? That is minus 10 and C2. And C2 is minus 14. Now what you'll do? First we'll find out A1 by A2 equals. What is the value of A1? That is 3 by 2 divided by A2. A2 is 9. 9 means you can write 9 by 1. Ready? This equals, see 3 by 2, this division, if I change into multiplication, inverse will write. That means 9 by 1 will write, 1 by 9 will write. Now we can cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 how many times 9? 3. 3s are. That means we got this equals 1 by. Now 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So we got it. A1 by A2 equals 1 by 6. Ready? Now what you'll do? B1 by B2. B1 by B2 equals, what is the value of B1? That is 5 by 3 divided by minus 10. Minus 10 means you can write minus 10 by 1 equals 5 by 3. This division, this divide, if I convert into multiplication, multiplication means into. So if this division, if I convert into multiplication, what will happen? This 10 by 1 will convert into 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Of course, there is a minus I am writing in the beginning. Ready? Now, we can cancel here by 5. 5 ones are 5. Here when you cancel by 5. 5 how many times? 10. 5 twos are. So, 5 twos are 10. So, we got in minus 1 by, minus is here. 1 into 1, 1. Now, 3 twos are 6. Now, check it. Here is 1 by 6. Here is minus 1 by 6. Is it same? No. That means this implies A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. See, if you get A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, then no need to do the balance. Just you can write direct answer. Ready? Therefore, what will you write? Therefore, the equation have unique solution and is consistent and the lines will intersect. Ready? Because these two lines will be intersecting and of course it will have unique solution and is consistent. Let's see the next question. That is 5x minus 3y equals 11 minus 10x plus 6y equals minus 22. So we have to rearrange this one. This implies, see, 5x minus 3y. After that this 11 will carry to next side. Then it will be minus 11 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Ready? Second equation. This implies, see, minus 10x plus 6y. See, this minus 22 goes to next side. Plus 22 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Ready? Now from the first equation we will find out A1, B1, C1. From the second equation we will find out A2, B2 and C2. This implies, what is the value of A1? What is the value of A1? Yes, that is 5. And what is the value of B1? B1 is minus 3. And what is the value of C1? C1 is minus 11. And what is the value of A2? A2 is minus 10 and B2 6. Of course, C2 is 22. First we'll find out. Therefore, A1 by A2 equals, what is the value of A1? A1 is 5. 5 by minus 10. Ready? Now we will cancel by 5. 5 ones are 5. Here when you cancel by 5, 5 twos are 10. So we got 1 by 2. But here there is one minus, isn't it? So we have to write in the numerator, that is minus 1 by 2. Let us see now B1 by B2. B1 by B2, that is minus 3 by B2 is 6. Will cancel by 3. That means 3 ones are 3. Here when you cancel by 3, 3 twos are 6. That means we'll get 1 by 2. Of course there is one minus, isn't it? So minus 1 by 2. Now we'll find out the value of C1 by C2. C1 by C2. What is the value of C1? That is minus 11 by C2, 22. We'll cancel by 11. That means 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. Of course, here minus is there. That means we'll get minus 1 by 2. See, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. All the answers we got minus 1 by 2, isn't it? This implies we'll write A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. That means what you'll write? Therefore, the lines are coincide and is consistent. Let's see the next question. Question number 5. 4 by 3x plus 2y equals 8. 2x plus 3y equals 12. Ready? This implies, let us arrange it this. That is 4 by 3x plus 2y. See, 8 goes to next side. It will be minus 8 equal to 0. That is equation number 1. Now, next equation. That is 2x plus 3y. Now, the 12 goes to next side. It will be minus 12 equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Ready? From the first equation, we can write A1, B1, C1. Second equation, we can write A2, B2, C2. That implies the value of A1. A1 equals 4 by 3. B1 is 2. And C1. C1 is minus 8. Ready? After that, A2. What is the value of A2 here? That is 2. And B2, that is 3. And C2. What is the value of C2? That is minus 12. Ready? First, what you will do? A1 by A2 equals. Ready? A1 by A2 means 4 by 3 divided by 2. But we know that 2 we can write 2 by 1. This equals 4 by 3, this division, if I convert into multiplication, 2 by 1 we can write inverse, means what you will write? 1 by 2. Now we will cancel by 2. 2 2s are 4. When you cancel here by 2, 2 1s are 2. That means we will get, see, 2 1s are 2. Divide by 3 into 1, 3. So we got it 2 by 3. Ready? Now B1 by B2. B1 by B2 equals, what is the value of B1? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. Now that means these two are equal. So we'll go to the next one. That is C1 by C2 equals. What is the value of C1? That is minus 8. Minus 8 by C2 minus 12. Minus will cancel. Now here will cancel by 4. 4 2s are 8. When you cancel here by 4, 4 3s are 12. So we got it now 2 by 3. See? A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 are equal, isn't it? That implies we will write A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Therefore, the lines are coincide and is consistent. Even you can write it have infinite many solutions. Got it now, the question number 3 answers. Ready? So what do you want to do? Don't forget to subscribe this channel and wait for the next video. Okay.